Hi friends, welcome to Rouse Rising. My name is Katie, and on this channel I share with you all about holistic homemaking, lifestyle, and parenting. If that is what you're interested in, then please click the subscribe button because I would love to have you a part of our Rouse Rising family. We have a really good time here and we cook lots of yummy food made from scratch. So if you're into all of that, then hang out with us and leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from. I love catching up with you all and learning more about you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a bit of an unboxing, but I've already tried out all the products and I'm really excited to share this with you. I am a very busy mom and I don't get to the stores very often. I certainly don't have time to go window shopping, browsing. I don't have the money to test out a bunch of different products to see what works for me. And I have a really hard time making decisions. Basically, if you stick me in a store with a whole bunch of face lotions, I'm gonna struggle to pick one. So I like it when somebody else is able to make those choices for me, or if they are narrowed down so that I can pick from a small quantity. That makes my life so much easier. And what really makes my life easier is when those products get delivered to my door. And that's exactly what happens when I signed up for FabFitFun. All the products that I fancied came right to my door. Now let me tell you about FabFitFun. This is a subscription box service. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. Curated in California. Get a customizable box 4 times a year with full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products that you get to choose. Access our exclusive members-only flash sales and shop top brands up to 70% off like Free People, Coach, Fenty Beauty, and more. Make the membership what you want. All members have the option to swap their box. Today I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing with you, but I have tried out most of these products already and I'm excited to share them with you because I'm really pleased with what I got. Now, first thing is in order. This is their spring box, so let's get ready for spring. I got this amazing hat. This hat is by Lack of Color, and it is a thick canvas hat that is going to protect me and my daughters, depending on who's wearing it, from the sun. I can also wear this in the garden. This is going to be great for this spring, summer, and fall to keep the sun off my aging skin. I love it, and I'm going to look really fashionable in it too. This is a size small, medium, and I thought I applied for the large, extra large, but I'm glad that I didn't get that because I believe that would be probably a man with a big head size, because I tend to run on the larger side of head size. And this hat, as a small medium, fits me perfectly. It also fits my daughters as well. It has a tie on here, so if you're going to be going out on a boat or it's an extra windy day, you just tie it off and your hat is going to stay on your head. Next up, I needed some facial cleanser. So when boxes like this come my way, I make sure that I get products in it that I'm out of, or that I'm nearly out of, or that I need. And so I got this OC facial cleanser and I love this. It is really good at removing all the grime from my face. And I like to use one of those little scrubber brushes on my face to exfoliate once or twice a week. And when I use that with this cleanser, it actually foams up and really cleanses my face nicely. You can see I've already used some of it and I've really enjoyed using this. So it's been nice to have access to products that I don't really have to think about. They gave me a list and I just chose the things that I fancied off of that list. So this is the OC Mineralizing Marine Cleanser. Isn't that beautiful? It's really nice. Okay, the next thing that I needed was some shampoo and conditioner. So they had these 2 bottles together as a set, and this is the Nuco Hair super thick shampoo and conditioner, and I typically have really thick hair. I'm not sure what's happening these days, but my hair is not quite as thick as it used to be. Maybe it's motherhood, maybe it's age, but I got this shampoo and conditioner. This has none of the nasty stuff in it, so no silicone, No SLS, no parabens, artificial fragrance free. And you all know, if you have been around here, I am not a big fan of fragrances. Fragrances are artificial scents and they're endocrine disrupting, and some essential oils are also endocrine disrupting. So we just prefer to keep things around here scent free, and that works best for me and my family. So I really appreciate this because this doesn't have any strong smelling artificial fragrances that are going to be harmful to my body. Our skin is one of the biggest organs, so making sure that I'm not using toxic products is really important to me as well. So I was really pleased to get the shampoo and conditioner combo, and I have loved it. My hair, what am I on? Day 2 from my last wash, and it's just really nice. My hair is really nice and soft. I've had issues with shampoos and conditioners in the past. I feel like some things that are all the freeze, you know, that don't have all of those sudsy components and all those chemicals and things in it. I feel like some of those shampoos and conditioners don't get my hair clean, but I felt like this really cleaned and conditioned my hair. Very happy with that. Right, the next thing up that I got was they had one of their selections was this African Botanicals Muscle Relief and Recovery Gel. I've been working out again. I'm feeling great. I started doing more muscle-y exercises. Aaron and I are both working on our posterior chain and strengthening our posterior chain so that we can be strong parents for our children. And the other night, I was really sore, my back was really sore, and Aaron rubbed some of this African Botanical Muscle Pain Relief and Recovery Gel on my back, and it was a nice cooling sensation that helped take my mind off of the muscle soreness that I was experiencing. So this is definitely Katie approved. Very nice on my skin and on my aching muscles. I struggle with exfoliating. My skin needs a deep exfoliation. So I chose these facial radiance pads. I thought that these were really nice. They come in a convenient little container and you just pull out the pads like this. And after you cleanse your face, or if you're on the go and you need something quick, then you can just pull one of these pads out and cleanse your face. These have no artificial fragrance. This is another fragrance-free product that I'm really fond of. And this exfoliates to reveal brighter, smoother skin. So we can all benefit from that. And I'm glad that this was on their list of things to get because I don't often splurge to get myself any products like this. Everything in this box was under $50, but the cost of buying these things on the market would be around $350 for all of these products. So let me take you to the next product that I got. And I'm gonna have to remove this for just a second. You know, like when you wash your face and you get water down your sleeves? So frustrating, right? Well, I got these so that I wouldn't get water on my watch when I washed my face. And these are just really nice. This is from PJ Salvage. And I also got one of these headbands so that when I do my makeup or when I wash my face, I can keep my hair out of the way. And so that works just easily like that. I put it on backwards because the tag's sticking out. But I got these little cuffs, and they also had a really nice wraparound towel, and I so wish I would have chosen that because it was a wraparound towel and it had Velcro. It would have been perfect for my sauna time, but I didn't pick that out. I use these every single day. I wash my face every single day. So these are gonna be wonderful for keeping my hair out of the sink and out of my face and out of my facial cleanser, as well as keep facial cleanser and water from going down into my sleeves. So that is what else I got in my FabFitFun box. You can check out my link down below in this video's description to save 3 times the amount that you're going to spend on this box. So like I said, everything in this spring FabFitFun box was under $50, and you're scoring $350 worth of products. And the best thing about it is you get to choose what goes in your FabFitFun spring box. When you shop on FabFitFun's website, be sure to use my code KATIERFFF to get 20% off your seasonal box. If you're a frugal mom or a frugal lady like I am, you do not want to miss out on the 70% off deals. So make sure you sign up for the annual subscription package, giving you 4 boxes a year of FabFitFun products. You're going to get an annual subscription promo gift with my code KATIERFFFGIFT. You're going to save more money and get better deals as well. You have the option to exchange your box for a FabFitFun credit if you're not pleased with your items inside. Best deal on the internet. I'm hooking you up. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Which product in the box was your favorite? I'm a huge fan of that OC face wash. I'm telling you, I loved everything in my FabFitFun box. I really do enjoy these products and I'm glad with my selection. I wish I would have selected some makeup products, but I didn't this time. I'm definitely going to do it next time, but you have that option as well. They have some great makeup products available if the body care products aren't your jam and you want a little bit more zhoosh, or you can get some home furnishings. In the spring collection, they do have a set of baskets available. So if you need some baskets for your home, check it out. Link down below in this video's description. I hope you all enjoyed hanging out with me for this spring unboxing of my FabFitFun box. If you're interested in getting this as a gift for yourself or a gift for your loved one, be sure to check the link down below in this video's description. It would mean so much to me and help support my channel, as well as give you a variety of new products that you can try out. They've got fitness products, household products for your home, as well as beauty, makeup, so many different things. And these are the products that I chose for myself in my spring box personally. But check out the link because there is quite a bit of variety to the products that you can choose. I'm sure you're going to find something on there that you're going to love. So check it out and enjoy your FabFitFun spring box. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.